Okay, here we're working on a trade in the euro this Monday, the 17th of December. This is the March futures contract of the euro. And prices were starting to make a break to the upside, higher highs and progressively higher lows. Showing some support here at our area that we've defined. 1 in 31, 70 to 73, in and around that area. So prices started to make its way up above it. We measured about a 50 to 61.8% retracement from this pivot low to this pivot high, and entered basically this retracement, this minor retracement into this area, which also serves as support. And we're looking for the target for the trade to get up around the outer 2 standard deviation band. As just a normal ebb and flow of this market action, without the success of this trade demanding any real pop from the market. We're just looking to participate so far in its normal ebb and flow. And basically what we're seeing is that just a little bit higher high than the previous one. So if we stay with the steady progression, we'll hopefully meet our objective up to 85. So there's about 10 or 12, 15 points of potential profit here on each contract. And I am holding 2 in here. I initially put one on at 75. We came down here and we started to put in this formation that I like to see. A little bit of stop running down here, a rejection of these lows at support, which caused me to jump in with a second set. And so therefore we're at basically long at an average of 75 and are working our way up to 85. Okay, we're continuing to work this trade to the upside. It's slowly finding its support in here right at our level. So we'll continue to hold in here. Not going to want to see anything much under that 3170 area. Not much going on in this market today. We're just kind of very much sideways, but slightly to the upside. The bias is definitely to the upside, and I'm looking to reach the outside of this range, fairly sideways range. But anyway, we are basically long at the 75, and we're going to hold here at the support. Okay. So we're continuing to work this trade sideways at this point. And what I have working for me in my favor is still this area of support here between 70 and 73, which we're sitting on. So it continues to represent basically a nice line in the sand for the price action this morning, which is sideways. Thought we were starting to go up. Make a progression to the upside, but that has somewhat truncated. So we're going to continue to work in here. Our low or stop is under the low of this sideways channel, but we do have significant support in here between the 70 and 73. So we're going to keep working in here and hoping that we can get out to the upper band. Okay, still working this trade here this morning. It's taken a while to unfold, and it's not going in the direction that we would like. However, and it shows the importance of having this footprint, these levels on the screen, that as long as we hold in and around these areas, this is support until it's taken out for sure, significantly. When we have these bars here, this price action that cannot sustain a break, that's significant information in this area of support. Tried here, failed. Tried here, failed. So I'm going to stay long here in this very sideways, non-eventful pattern of prices, with the expectation that this support area continues to stay valid. Okay, so we move forward here a little bit, restart the video, and revisit this trade that we're hanging on to, literally sideways, and sideways right at our level. if you had to pick a line or draw a line in here now to represent the data, these lines that we've had on the screen all day would be a very good approximation of the median price and the most common price that this market has followed so far, forever here this morning. So had a bit of a challenge down here, had this reversal bar pattern in here, and a move to the upside, suggesting that this is still very much in place in terms of a key support area that we're going to continue to rely on to meet this objective for the trade. Okay, so we got up here to the objective for the trade after trading just this sideways market action. The key level here of support kept us in this trade while it challenged the trade down in here, but unless and until it took it out significantly, felt we needed to stay in this. So we did meet our objective, a few ticks of slippage here, but out of the sideways muck, did achieve the success for this trade after having going through this downside action at our support area.